Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful fall pumpkin out of supplies that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this, just keep on watching. These are the materials that I'm going to be using. I have some Dollar Tree bling wrap here, a toilet paper roll, some string, and a hand towel from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to take this ball of rubber bands that I got from the dollar spot at Target and just close this up. Okay, I'm going to be using my bling again that I picked up from Michael's. Alright guys, so this is how it turned out. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.